Do you want to learn the correct way to sand a marble floor and restore its mirror-like shine? In this video, we demonstrate practical and professional steps for sanding marble using the right tools and techniques to achieve a smooth, long, and glossy finish. What you will learn in this video: how to prepare the floor before sanding. The best tools and materials for marble sanding. The proper technique for using a sanding machine for flawless results. How to deal with scratches and stubborn stains during sanding. Secrets to achieving a long-lasting professional shine. Why is marble sanding necessary? Marble is one of the most luxurious and elegant flooring materials, but over time, it can lose its shine due to dirt, scratches, and daily use. Sanding is a crucial maintenance step that removes the damaged surface layer, restoring the natural luster and enhancing the overall appearance of the marble. Tools used in this video: professional marble sanding machine, sanding discs with different grit levels, water for cooling and surface protection during sanding, special polishing materials for added shine, gloves, and safety goggles for protection during the process. Step-by-step process. 1. Thoroughly clean the floor. Remove dust and dirt before starting the sanding process. To use coarse sanding discs, begin with coarse grit discs to remove deep scratches and damaged layers. 3. Progress to finer sanding discs. Gradually refine the surface using finer grit discs for a smoother, even finish. 4. Apply water during sanding. This helps cool the surface and reduce dust dispersion. 5. Final polishing. After sanding, apply polishing compounds to achieve a high gloss finish. 6. Final cleaning. Wipe the floor and remove any residues for a flawless result. Tips for the best results: use high-quality sanding discs for optimal performance. Take your time. Don't rush the sanding process for better precision. Apply water during sanding to prevent heat buildup and surface damage. After sanding, use a specialized polish to maintain the shine for longer. Avoid harsh chemicals after sanding to protect the marble's surface. Can marble be sanded manually? Yes, but manual sanding requires significant effort and time, and the results may not match those achieved with professional machines. For small areas, you can use hand sanding sheets, but for larger surfaces, it's best to use specialized equipment for faster and better results. When should you sand your marble floor? When the marble loses its natural shine, if scratches or stains appear that cannot be removed by regular cleaning, if the floor surface is uneven due to improper installation, when you want to refresh the floor's appearance without replacing it. Benefits of marble sanding: restores the marble's original beauty and enhances its elegance, extends the lifespan of the floor and protects it from deterioration, improves surface smoothness for better walking comfort, removes deep scratches and stains that affects the floor's appearance. Watch the video now and learn the correct way to sand marble floors with easy and clear steps. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications for more professional tutorials. Share this video with friends who are interested in floor maintenance, and let's elevate the standards of professional work together. After completing the sanding process, there are a few essential steps to maintain and enhance the final result. Proper care will ensure that the marble remains shiny and resistant to future damage. Below, we will cover the best maintenance practices, common mistakes to avoid, and long-term solutions to keep your marble floor looking brand new. Post-sanding maintenance. Once the sanding and polishing process is complete, it is crucial to take preventive measures to extend the lifespan of the shine and protect the surface from wear and tear. Here are some key maintenance steps. 1. Immediate cleaning. After sanding, ensure that all dust and polishing residues are removed. Use a damp microfiber mop To wipe the floor gently. Asterisk, to apply a marble sealer. A high-quality marble sealer helps protect the surface from stains and moisture, preventing potential damage. Asterisk 3. Use a pH-neutral cleaner. Avoid acidic or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the polished surface and dull the shine. Asterisk for dry the floor thoroughly. Never leave water standing on the marble surface, as it can cause stains and etching over time. Asterisk 5. Regular polishing. To maintain the glossy finish, periodically apply a marble-specific polish. Common mistakes to avoid. Even professionals can make mistakes when sanding marble. Here are some of the most common errors and how to avoid them. Asterisk, skipping the cleaning step. Failing to clean the floor before sanding can cause dust particles to scratch the surface further. Asterisk, using the wrong grit sequence. Starting with a grit that is too fine will not remove deep scratches, while using a very coarse grit for too long can damage the marble. Asterisk, applying too much pressure. Excessive pressure during sanding can create uneven spots and wear out the marble prematurely. Asterisk, not using water properly. Water should be used strategically during sanding to prevent overheating, but too much water can lead to residue buildup. Asterisk, neglecting sealing. Without proper sealing, the marble becomes more vulnerable to stains and damage from spills. How to prevent future damage. 2. Keep your marble floor looking pristine after sanding. Follow these protective measures. Asterisk, professional polishing every few months can refresh the shine and prevent damage. Asterisk, sanding. Different types of marble. Asterisk, not all marble floors are the same, and different types require different approaches when sanding. Below is a brief guide on how to handle various types of marble surfaces. Asterisk, polished marble requires extra care during sanding to maintain its reflective finish. Fine grit sandpaper and a polishing compound are essential for the best results. Asterisk, honed marble. This type has a matte finish and is less prone to scratches. Sanding should be done carefully to preserve the natural look without making it overly glossy. Asterisk, textured marble. Some marble surfaces have a rough, textured finish. These require specific sanding techniques to avoid altering the natural appearance. Asterisk, colored or veined marble. Marble with bold veins or color variations needs precise sanding to prevent uneven polishing effects. Asterisk, can you sand and polish marble at home? Asterisk, while professional equipment ensures the best results, it is possible to sand and polish small areas of marble at home with the right tools and techniques. Here's how you can do it. Asterisk, hand sanding. For minor scratches, use a fine grit sandpaper, 800-2000 grit, and water to gently buff the surface in circular motions. Asterisk, electric hand polishers. A handheld polisher can help achieve better results for small floor sections or countertops. Asterisk, homemade polishing paste. Mix baking soda with water to create a mild polish. Apply it with a soft cloth and buff the surface for added shine. Asterisk, microfiber cloth buffing. After sanding, use a clean microfiber cloth to remove dust and enhance the shine. Asterisk, signs that your marble needs resanding. Asterisk, if you're unsure whether your marble floor requires another round of sanding, look out for these signs. Asterisk, dull and uneven appearance. If the shine has faded and the floor looks patchy, it's time to sand and polish again. Asterisk, deep scratches and etching. When regular cleaning fails to remove noticeable scratches, sanding is the best solution. Asterisk, loss of smoothness. If the marble surface feels rough or has uneven patches, a fresh sanding session will restore its smoothness. Asterisk, water absorption. If water droplets soak into the marble instead of beading up, it's a sign that the protective seal has worn off and the floor may need refinishing. Asterisk, what to expect after sanding. Once you've completed the sanding and polishing process, Your marble floor should have a smooth, scratch-free surface. No visible imperfections or rough spots. Asterisk a uniform shine. The entire floor should reflect light evenly, without dull patches. Asterisk increased stain resistance. Proper sealing ensures that liquids won't penetrate. The marble is asterisk a luxurious, high-end look. Your floor will regain its natural beauty, making any space look more elegant. Asterisk professional versus DIY sanding. Which one is better? Asterisk, while sanding marble yourself can save money, professional services guarantee the best outcome. Here's a comparison of both approaches. Final thoughts. Sanding a marble floor is an essential process to maintain its beauty and durability. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, following the correct techniques will ensure a flawless result. Regular maintenance, proper sealing, and protective measures will keep your marble floor shining for years to come. Asterisk, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more professional flooring tips. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, where we dive into more advanced techniques for marble restoration and maintenance, enhancing the longevity of your sanded marble floor. Asterisk, now that your marble floor has been expertly sanded and polished, maintaining its pristine condition is key to ensuring its beauty lasts for years. In this section, we'll cover additional maintenance tips, how to handle common issues, and advanced polishing techniques that can take your floor's shine to the next level. Asterisk. Long-term care for sanded marble floors. Asterisk. To keep your marble floor looking as flawless as the day it was sanded, follow these maintenance practices. Asterisk daily dust removal. Use a soft, dry mop or microfiber cloth to remove dust and prevent buildup. Asterisk weekly cleaning. Use a damp mop with a pH neutral cleaner specifically designed for marble. Avoid vinegar, bleach, or harsh detergents. Asterisk immediate spill cleanup. Liquids like wine, coffee, or citrus juices can stain marble if left unattended. Wipe spills immediately with a damp cloth. Asterisk use protective mats and rugs. Placing mats near entryways helps reduce dirt and debris that can scratch the surface. Asterisk regular polishing. A light polish every few months can refresh the shine and maintain the smooth finish. Asterisk how to deal with common marble floor problems, scratches, and scuff marks. For light scratches, use a soft cloth and a marble polishing powder. Asterisk deep scratches may require a fine grit sanding pad and careful buffing. Asterisk water spots and stains. Asterisk use a specialized marble stain remover or a homemade paste of baking soda and water. Asterisk avoid excessive moisture, as prolonged water exposure can cause dullness over time if the shine fades. A light buffing with a microfiber cloth and marble polish can restore it. Asterisk professional resealing every 1 to 2 years will help maintain the glossy finish. Advanced polishing techniques for maximum shine. If you want to enhance your marble floor's shine even further, consider these advanced techniques. 1. Crystallization method. Uses a chemical reaction with a special polishing solution and a buffing machine. Asterisk creates a harder, more reflective surface that increases durability. 2. Diamond polishing utilizes ultrafine diamond pads for a high gloss, mirror-like finish. Best done by professionals for an ultra-smooth and flawless result. 3. Marble waxing optional. Asterisk A. Light coat of high-quality marble wax can provide additional protection. Asterisk avoid overusing wax, as buildup can lead to a cloudy appearance over time. When to resand your marble floor, even with proper care. Marble floors may eventually require another round of sanding. Here's how to know when it's time. Asterisk the surface has visible wear, including dull patches and deep scratches. Asterisk the floor no longer repels water as effectively, indicating that the protective seal has worn off. Asterisk high traffic areas look noticeably different from less used sections. Final words. Sanding and maintaining a marble floor requires attention to detail and consistent care. By following these tips, you can ensure that your floor remains in top condition for years to come. Asterisk for more expert flooring techniques. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with our latest tutorials. Protecting your marble floor from everyday wear and tear. Asterisk. Now that your marble floor has been expertly sanded and polished, it's essential to take preventive measures to ensure it stays in top condition for as long as possible. Here are some additional tips to keep your floor looking flawless. Asterisk. Use soft brooms and mops. Avoid hard bristled brooms, which can create micro scratches on the surface. Asterisk. Control humidity levels. In areas with high humidity, use a dehumidifier to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to stains and etching. Asterisk. Place felt pads under furniture. This prevents scratches when moving chairs, tables, or other heavy objects. Asterisk. Rotate rugs and mats regularly. This ensures even wear across the entire floor, preventing discoloration in high traffic areas. Dealing with stubborn stains and etching even with proper care. Some stains and etching may appear over time. Here's how to handle them. Asterisk. Organic stains, coffee, wine, tea, fruit juices. Use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and a few drops of ammonia to gently remove the stain. Asterisk. Oil-based stains, grease, cooking oils, lotions. Apply a paste of baking soda and water. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave it overnight before wiping it away. Asterisk. Rust stains. Metal objects left on marble. A commercial rust remover made from marble can help lift the stain. Asterisk. Etching dull marks from acids. Buff the area with a marble polishing powder and a soft cloth. How to maintain a consistent shine over time. Even well-maintained marble floors may lose some of their original luster. To keep the shine consistent, follow these additional steps. Asterisk. Use a floor buffer occasionally. A low-speed floor buffer with a polishing pad can help refresh the shine. Asterisk. Apply a light coat of marble polish every few months. This will keep the surface smooth and reflective. Asterisk. Reseal the marble annually. This prevents stains and protects the surface from moisture and dirt penetration. Asterisk. Avoid dragging heavy objects across the floor. Instead, lift and carry furniture to prevent scratches. Final thoughts. A well-maintained marble floor adds elegance and value to any space. With the right care, regular cleaning, and periodic polishing, your marble surface will remain beautiful and durable for years. Asterisk. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more expert techniques on marble care and restoration in upcoming videos.